Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting Premier Affiliates, I welcome you with open arms. And if you are returning as another visitor, again, I appreciate you very much. So thank you very much. If you are looking to find out about Groove pages and GrooveFunnels, this is the page for you. Today I'm going over page speed test, and pretty much when I was going over the features yesterday, I brought up the point that Groove Pages comes out of the box with being SEO optimized and being built for speed and lightweight. And that is one of the primary things that you need for a website in order to rank and in order to give a good user experience. So what I thought I would do is just show a couple of websites with PageSpeed Insights, which is a Google application that you can use to pop in a URL and see how well it does. So that's what we're going to do today. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you want to receive videos like this. At Premier Affiliates, we go over software, how to use it, and also software that you can promote that will make you money online to build a financial future of freedom. So with that being said, let's hop right into it. All right, so like I said, page speed is extremely important. If you follow anything in regards to the online space, you know that Google uses page speed as a factor to rank. So if you have a slow website, you are literally losing money. You are throwing away customers because Google is not going to provide your website when they search for what it is that you're looking for, unless you have a ton of content and you are, posting unique and quality content and you've built that type of authority. But if you are just starting out or you don't post every single day, page speed is extremely important, and that is why you need Groove Pages and GrooveFunnels, because if you don't want to pay somebody to consistently check your site and make sure the speed is good and it's ranking, and you do all these little tips and tricks and these things, you might not have time for that. You know what I mean? I definitely don't. So you need something that is going to be quick. So let's get right into this. So I love Skillshare. Skillshare is probably one of the best websites to go to if you are trying to learn something online. Udemy is good. I just like the layout of Skillshare and how and the instructors, and just I love it. So if you haven't tried Skillshare, give it a shot. It's also free for 60 days. For 2 months, you can see here. If you sign up on my with the link below, you can get started with that. But here we go. We're going to copy this link right here. We're going to go right over into Page Insights. We're going to hit paste. We're just going to analyze it. What it's going to do is it's going to analyze how fast and how optimized your site is for mobile as well as for desktop. Okay. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I don't know what time it is where you are as you are watching this, but for right now it is about 6:35 where I am a.m. and I haven't had any coffee yet or anything like that, but I'm going to get to it. But I do hope you're having a great day no matter what time it is where you're at right now. All right, so you can see right here on mobile, Skillshare is not doing too hot. Okay, it's at 40, which is fairly slow. Anything in the red, obviously, is not good. And you would think that a site like this would be quicker because they are large and they have the money and all these other things. So you could see that there's room for growth and potential on this site, and for anybody else who wants to have a site that does what Skillshare does. And then you can see on desktop it's a 68. So that's not very, very good at all. Okay. The next thing I want to go over is we'll check a site that was made by David Lemon. He is a person who works at GrooveFunnels and Groove Digital, and he creates websites and tutorials and things like that. So right now you're looking at the back end of the Facebook group, which is amazing. There's a ton of people in here. You can see there's over 59,000 members in this private group, and they offer so much information in regards to improvement and seminars and webinars and all these other things. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go into this little tutorial list right here. And you see I have live demos, just a ton of things, you know. So we're in the tutorial video list, and I believe it is down here. Where are you? Use text. Let's see. Trouble sizing. Okay, so press the bridge page. Where are you? There is a site. Well, pretty much what I'm trying to do is he recreated a website. Somebody requested like how to copy a site and recreate it. And what he did was he did a video where he recreated, oh here it is, okay, he recreated a website live. Okay, and I'm going to show you that website. And it's from consulting.com, and what he did was he just copied that site right here based off of the format, and right live. He didn't do anything. He didn't have any time for optimizing or anything like that. So pretty much we'll go right here, we'll pop that in, and we'll see what a GroovePages site looks like right out of the box, just being built quickly. And there you go. So mobile 66, not bad at all, right? The other one was in the red, and then desktop is 99. Okay, so mobile is within the medium, which is very, very good in regards to just being built live and not doing any type of optimization at all. And then obviously desktop is working extremely well. Okay, let's look at another, and now let's see the website that he copied was consulting.com, right? So let's see how they fare, right? Let's take a look. This is the website that teaches people consulting, and let's see, we'll go to this other page here. Let's try this one. Go back to the beginning. Oh, that's what I did. I added something. Okay, let's see. Copy this. Go here. Go here. There we go. So this is a website that teaches you how to build a 7-figure business online, and is pretty big deal, right? Mobile is 32 website speed, and desktop is 63. So they're doing okay with desktop, but mobile they're terrible. And that's the other thing. It's a lot of people, a lot of websites, for some reason they're still not realizing that mobile is where it is at. You need to optimize for mobile. Most people are shopping and buying things and doing online courses and everything on their mobile device, whether it be tablet or cell phone. So if you're not optimizing your website for mobile, you are seriously hurting yourself. With GroovePages and GrooveFunnels, you do not have to even worry about that, because right out of the box, it's mobile. It's fast enough for mobile. So if you do anything extra, you're just helping yourself even more. So let's go to this page right here. This is another page when you decide to dig a little deeper, and this is like their sales funnel in a way, showing you what you get in the course. So let's see how fast this page is. Right. All right. So yeah, make sure that you start, playing around. Go to PageSpeed Insights and look at how fast your website is. If you have a blog or something and you think that it's quick, you might be wrong. You know what I mean? And you might want to bring over your site to GroovePages because it's not difficult to do. And I'm going to show you that tomorrow in regards to how you can take one website that you might have and navigate it and bring it over. And a lot of these other companies are charging enormous amounts of money to transfer your site from one host to another, when GroovePages gives it to you for free and makes it so fast you do it in like 10 seconds. Okay, which is another feature that we'll talk about tomorrow. But here you go. So mobile 27, come on guys, and then 77 on desktop. I'm telling you. But some businesses, they're like, we don't want people using the website, using their phone for our service, so they don't optimize for mobile. So I mean, hey, to them they might not really care, and they want people doing it at home and whatever. But if you're following what the stats are saying, you need to make your website optimize for mobile. All right, so that's that. You know what? Let's just do one more. So here we go. So this is the page that I built. I just put it together. Literally, it took me about 15 minutes to do, if that. And I have done nothing to this at all. And we will take a look at GrooveFunnels, WPWithme.net. This is something I use to collect email. And let's take a look and see where we're at. There we go. 78 on mobile. Look at that. 78 on mobile. Okay? With nothing done at all. Nothing done. No back end work. And on desktop, I'm at 95. Crushing it. Okay? So, with that being said, this was the PageSpeed test part 1 for GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. I'm telling you guys, it is hands down the best decision that you can make to start your business and come right out of the gate with an optimized website. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe again. If you watch my video from yesterday, you can see I'm much better. I was sick yesterday. My allergies were killing me, and I was sniffling and all that other stuff. And today I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I'm much better now. I got a good night's sleep. I had some soup and all of that. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and you do understand how important PageSpeed is, and how easy it can be with GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. So until tomorrow, you know what's up. Get out of here.